Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, or good morning, good evening. My name is Lalo, and recently I've gotten into mushroom growing. Really enjoy the process of fungi and just the whole idea that something can grow off of decomposing things or just infinitely spawning more to grow. It's just something that's really piqued my curiosity. Before I delved into the whole thing and put some money down, I wanted to just try growing mushrooms the easy way. So I got some back to the roots organic mushroom mini grow kits, and I got two because there's two things I wanted to do. One, I wanted to see if I could just grow them inside, because that's the way they're advertised. You can grow them inside, and there's a part of me that said, okay, maybe mushrooms can just grow inside my house. I know that a lot of the people I watch have like a lab set up, and I don't have that ability yet. I'm broke poor. I put one indoors, and then I let one stay outside. I didn't leave them outdoors the whole day. I would only take it out during the night. So this is the first. This was grown indoors, exclusively indoors. It was watered. It was kept. Is that fungus? I mean, fungus. Duh, it is fungus. Is that mold? I can't tell if that's mold. I'm hoping it's not. It could be though, right? This has been 6 days. They're blue oyster mushrooms, it looks like. This one is the grown outdoors one, and as you can see, it's a lot more mushrooms growing here. There's even some growing at the bottom-ish here. I mean, look at this. Oh man, this is so cool. Like, this is what I'm talking about, man. This is what really gets me. I don't know if I'm supposed to touch them or not, but you see those frills? Like, it's so cool. I don't know if these are even ready to harvest. I didn't think about making the judgment call of when to harvest them. This one looks like it's bending, and I'm not sure if that means it's ready to harvest. This one's bending too a little bit, so I don't know if they're ready to harvest or not. But I'm gonna let them grow for like another day, maybe 2 days, just to see what happens. But I mean, look at this. I mean, look at that, man. Total difference. And so now the whole thing is whether or not to grow indoors and outdoors. And with this little experiment, I'm going to start growing outdoors. Hey, look, it's Cookie. Cookie. That's my dog. I didn't realize that DC is a very humid area that is perfect for mushroom growing. I know that growing outdoors does expose the mushrooms to getting infected or something, getting mold. But I mean, if it grows in nature, I'm sure that if I make a sterilized process, even in the beginning during inoculation. I got my pressure cooker coming. I actually have to wait another day for my pressure cooker because my payment got declined. Pressure cooker is the number one thing that I really want, because at least I can make sterile substrate for mushrooms to at least inoculate and see what happens. But I've been saving a lot of cardboard for a project I was working on, but now it's going to switch to something for mushrooms. And this is the table I was talking about. Yeah, it's just a table that has been here forever. It's actually a nice table, but it's not being used for anything, and I don't think I will use it for anything. So I'm going to use it to grow mushrooms. I might use these like cardboard and put a border around, maybe like a kind of tall one, drill some holes on the side so that we can get ventilation, put some pillow stuffing in between so that, you know, nothing bad gets from outdoors to inside the little mini greenhouse I'm about to make. And then I'm going to try and find a way to put like a plastic tarp over it so it becomes like a mini greenhouse. We still have a ways to go. Hopefully I can get everything started by this week coming up, and I'm excited. I'm really excited. So hopefully this journey will be fun and it'll be a learning experience. That's the most important thing. It's a learning experience. So I hope you guys stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy the series. Again, I don't know anything of what I'm doing. I'm broke poor, and I'm doing my best to get everything going. So hopefully this is inspiration, as I've been inspired by others, and to get you guys to grow, because hey man, mushrooms can feed the world. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?